Hello everyone, here is the latest update and forecast on the possibility of a strong tropical storm potentially affecting Hong Kong, with this system possibly bringing a noticeable change in weather and some cooling over the next 10 days. As of Thursday, 13 August 2026, Hong Kong is moving away from the recent hot and relatively dry conditions into a much more unsettled weather pattern. Increasing moisture, light rain, scattered thunderstorms and periods of heavy downpours are expected, particularly as we move towards Friday, 14 August. Daytime temperatures are currently around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius, with very high humidity, while overnight temperatures may remain around 27 degrees. For today, Thursday, the weather is expected to remain mostly cloudy. Light rain may occur at times, and as the day progresses, the chance of scattered thunderstorms will increase. By tonight, some areas could experience heavier rain and gusty conditions. Then comes Friday, 14 August, when the weather could become significantly wetter. Periods of heavy rain and thunderstorms are expected during the day, and temperatures may fall to around 28 degrees Celsius. This change could provide some temporary relief from the recent heat, although the combination of high humidity, rain and thunderstorms will make conditions rather uncomfortable. But the more important point is what may happen after this immediate rainy spell. Weather models are indicating that unsettled conditions could persist across the region into next week, with a broad area of low pressure potentially developing over the western Pacific and South China Sea region. According to the longer-range GFS and ECMWF model guidance, there are indications of possible tropical development during the period around 20 to 24 August 2026. Some model runs are showing a tropical storm or developing tropical system moving towards the vicinity of southern China and potentially affecting Hong Kong. However, this is still a long-range forecast, and the exact location, strength and movement of any possible system remain highly uncertain. At this stage, it is important not to consider a direct hit on Hong Kong confirmed. Forecast models at more than a week ahead can change considerably from one run to another, particularly when dealing with tropical disturbances. Even small changes in the position of a developing low-pressure area can completely change the eventual track. Nevertheless, the signal is important because both the GFS and ECMWF guidance are showing potential tropical activity during the third week of August. If a low-pressure area becomes better organized and the forecast models begin to agree on a common track towards the South China Sea, confidence in the forecast will increase. Subscribe the channel and be weather updated.